2 minutes of information, entertainment, and events. This is the Daily 2.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily 2. Today we're talking about improving the look of your home. Joining us are Ted Kirk and Jonathan Collum from North Georgia Replacement Windows. The weather can get a little crazy here. How does that affect your business?
Well, Shannon, the extreme temperature changes can greatly affect the performance of most windows. We understand our unique community, our climate considerations, and installation needs better than any other window company. And the Infinity from Marvin fiberglass window, it resists rot and expansion and contraction in any climate, so it stays tight and true.
And you say the window lets in more light. How does that work?
Well, we use the strongest window material, Ultrex fiberglass. So we have more glass, less window frame. So this also means bigger views to the outside. Vinyl and wood replacement windows have thick frames that block out light and decrease your view.
What about the warranty on this window?
Well, Shannon, Infinity from Marvin has a limited lifetime warranty that's good for as long as you're in your home. And North Georgia Replacement Windows also offers a lifetime service warranty. We can only do this by offering the best materials and products and installation methods.
Let's talk about the installation because people worry about the headache that would be involved with that. What is it like for your customers?
Well, during installation, we handle every detail, perfectly installing the windows, a meticulous cleanup afterwards, and we deliver a seamless service and a no-hassle installation, not a headache.
Oh, that's good. You have a great offer for our viewers.
Yes, we have 25 months with 0% interest, and we have a lot more details on the website.
Ted, Jonathan, thank you both so much.
Thank you.
That website is ngwindows.com. I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2.